how to customize your work schedule in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to custom or setting your work schedule in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management platform that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your details, all your tasks and others, including the work schedule. So first you can go ahead to your ClickUp dashboard and then you can go to your settings by click profile here, profile icon in the top right corner, and then click settings here. And after that, on the left sidebar here, you will find work schedule. You can click it. So as you can see in this page, you can set it up. You can set your works week, your work days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's up to you. And also you can set the working hours. So maybe you want to change it, maybe from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. maybe. It's up to you. It's like that. And also you can custom working hours here. And also if you want to add non-working days, you can click select public holidays or add days off, but you need to upgrade to business plan. Or you can also start free trial to set it up. I don't upgrade it, so I cannot, change it, but you can try it and explore more. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.